Hello guys, welcome to Web Designing HTML CSS course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 11. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. This was the folder that we created in the last lecture and these are the two files. One is the index.html and the second one is style.css. One is the index.html and the second one is style.css. Let me open these two files in the Dreamweaver as we decide in the last lecture that our editor will be the Dreamweaver. Now, this is our head section and I told you that in the last lecture that if you are going to create more than one CSS or JavaScript or Bootstrap anything, you are going to link that JavaScript files or CSS file in this head section, right? How you can link? I told you that you will write here the link tag and with the hyperreference and the path of the style sheet or your JavaScript or Bootstrap file, you will write here the correct path and you will define the relation and the type. Then you can get your desired output with those files, right? Now, we also created this container div. Let me show you the output. So guys, this is the output of our last lecture. This is the background and this was our website area where we have to create our website. So on the background, I just put this color on the background just for your understanding. You can also put here any background image or you can remove the color. Like we are going to make the website like this, right? Now how we can make this? Let's start. First of all, I will remove these side colors, right? How I can do this? In the style sheet, this is my background color on the body. You can see the background color on the body. This all is body of the website of the page, you can see. So from the body I will remove this color. If you do not understand anything, you can review my last lecture, and even then if you will not understand, you will comment me. I will answer your questions. I have removed that background color and save my file. Refresh my browser. Here you can see, right? Now the background color is removed now. Now what I will do is, because we are going to make this website, now first of all we will create one area for logo and advertisement. How we can make this? Let's start. For this purpose we are going to do the work in the container, right? So in the container I will create a one div, because I told you that we are going to work in the div. Now right here I will write here banner, right? Not a banner, I will write here logo, because we are going to write here logo and advertisement banner. You can write here ad banner, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see logo and ad banner is right here. Like this is logo and this is the ad banner, right? Now what I will do is I will make a one class, right? In the style sheet, how I can make the class? With the help of the dot. I will click here dot and I will write here logo area, right? The class is created. Now what I will write in the class, I will write what? Width and height. I will write here width 990 pixel. Why I write here 990 pixel? Because in the my container width is 990, right? So that's why I write here 990. So the logo area width is 990 and height. I have to define the height. What is the height? I will define here height like 100 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. You will see nothing, but the width and height is allocated. Why you are not seeing anything here? Let me show you this thing also. I will write here border 1 pixel solid, and I will put a color here. Like the color can say like I will put black color, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Border 1 pixel solid, right? We are not able to see any output or any border here. Why we are not able to see the output here? Because in the index file we have not write here any class, right? So in my container div here I will write here class, and you will see indentation will show you all the classes which you have created on your style.css. So this is my class logo area. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see logo and advertisement area is created like this. Logo and advertisement area is created. Hope you are understand this thing. Now logo and advertisement area height is I think 1 more than 100. So I will put here 130. Save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see. Now what I want these text in the center. How I can do this? In my HTML I will write here font tag, font tag closing. I have told you all these tags in my last lectures how you can put these. If you do not understand this thing, you can review my last lectures, right? So here I will put size 7, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is bigger in the font. Now just to show this text in the center, what we will do in the CSS, I will write here text align center, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the text is in the center. Now what I want like the height is 130. I want this logo and add banner text here in between the height. So in between the height, if you want anything, you will write line height attribute, right? What is the line height? the total height which you have allocated for this div, you will write here 130 pixel. Once again, let me tell you, we write the line height just because if we want our text in between center of the div, like I will refresh, you can see this is the center of the div from both sides. You can see from all over, right? From the top, from the bottom, from the left and from the right. This is the center. So if you want any of your text or image in the center of the div, then you will write line height equal to the total height, right? Now logo area is created. Now we will create what? Menu area. Now what I will do is in the index.html you can see, let me show you in the middle. So this is my container div and this is my logo area. After this I will create a div and a closing div, and here I will write menu, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the menu is written here, right? Now what I will do is I will write for the menu CSS. Now I will write the menu CSS. How I will write this? Let's start. I will make a one new class. I will write here dot menu. The name of the classes should be matched with your divs structure, right? So it will be easy for you to find everything. Now what I will do, I will write here first of all width. What is 990 pixel, right? Why 990 pixel? Because my container is of 990 pixel, right? Now here I will write here height. When I see my structure, this one, I can judge the height maybe like 50 pixel. Here 50 pixel. So for this purpose I will put here 50 pixel, right? Now to show you, I will write here border 1 pixel solid, and here I will put what? I will put a color black, right? I will save this, refresh my browser, but you cannot see anything because we have not write this class in the HTML index.html. So I will write here one class. Here indentation is showing you the classes which you have created in the CSS. I will select here from menu. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the menu div is created now, right? You can see the menu is created. In the same way, what you will do, just to show you this thing properly, I will write here text align center. I will save this, right? Now what I will do, I will write here the line height 50 pixel. 50 pixel is total my height. So in the line height I will also write here 50 pixel. So it will be in the middle of the div, right? Now what I want to show you the bigger font. So I can also do this. I will write here font. This is just for your understanding. I will remove this thing when we are going to put the menu and logo there. So in the font I will write here size 6. Right? So this is logo and banner area, and this is the menu area. Now what we will do is we have to create the new sticker area, and then we will make a div for the slider. Now this thing we are going to do in the next lecture. This is all for today, and if you do not understand anything you can comment me. I will answer your questions. Now today you have get the knowledge about the divs, like how you can make the divs in the container. This was our container div, and these are the two divs that we have created. One is for the logo and the second one is for the menu, right? So guys, web designing, web development is very easy task if you are understanding each and everything. Then this is very easy for you, and if you do not understand anything you can comment me. I will answer your questions, right? Now if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. This was all for today. Thank you so much.